Bro, this game is super good, bro. Man, I can literally laugh at this game, bro. This is a funny game. When my teammates and I are losing, man. So, can I skip it? No. Let's spectate one of the enemies. Well, we will spectate very early. Like, late. Like, maybe something. Like, bro, how did I die that again, bro? And look at me and my teammates, bro. We are losing. Look. Look, guys. I almost. I'm certain that I can win that fight with that, bro.
That was amazing.
I saw him like crazy. See that base, bro? I'm going to that base, bro. Said into my mind. Bro, we're going to that base. And I can't do it. I just keep punching it and I died. But I will respawn. Then I'm just gonna go into the corner. I died. Look at my deaths, guys. And bro, I respawn again. And I said to myself, my plan is to destroy all of their turrets. So look at my plan. I'm going to the mid first to die. Especially bro. That's what I need, bro. To die. Yeah, I'm not dying here, bro. I'm going to die to the Karina. I don't think I died to the Karina. I think I died to the Karina, man. I said to myself, let's push this, bro. No one can stop me. Then I pushed it. I don't know that we were coming, so I pushed me and then I died. La la la. They don't hear that minions. So Silong and Karina here are going to the bottom lane. No, Silong is there too. No, Silong is abandoning their lane. I'm just waiting. Bro, I'm not tapping, by the way. Look, I'm just waiting and waiting, bro. I saw my opportunity. Then I said, you know what? Let's push this, bro. Let's push this. Then I push and I push. Look at the bottom, bro. My teammates are not. Look, this is how I finish it. Bro, that's a W, guys. That's a W. And that's how I finish it. And yeah, bro, me and my teammates, I'm just laughing and look, that's a difference, man. And the gold difference too, man. And I get the Lord. Look at the team, bro. The other team, and look at my team. We are literally not gonna do it. And don't mind the Rangers 6-7 score and 6-7-2 score. Okay, guys. This is the end. So, bye!